QMB3200, welcome to our online course. My name is Dr. Weideman and I'll be your professor for this course. Let's explore the My Courses course first. From the course homepage, which you'll see here on the screen, you'll have several options from the top toolbar. We're going to start by clicking on Course Home, which is where we are, and I'll post weekly reminders over here on the left side in the news area. Upcoming events and the calendar items will be shown on the right-hand side. And I also want to mention down below the news area is where we're going to go for the access to MyStatLab in just a minute. So let's click on Course Content. And you'll notice that you have a table of contents on the left side. The syllabus is located at the top. And from the table of contents, you can navigate to the various modules in the course. Let's look at the Begin Here module. This has several submodules. You'll need to read through all the materials in this module. Pay special attention to this course syllabus, which is located in this submodule here, and also the assignment schedule with the due dates. I suggest that you print out that schedule so that you can keep track of all the assignments in the course. The syllabus quiz, which is located in this location here, is required. You must earn 100% on one attempt to unlock the course materials in My Courses. The hardware and software requirements includes materials on how to register in MyStatLab, in MyStatLab, and the Excel requirements for the course, the Data Analysis Toolpak add-in, and the Excel Stat add-in. Excel help and tutorials, I suggest that you review that material in week 1. The last item in this module is learner support and the My Courses tutorial. Returning to table of contents, you have a water cooler, which is a discussion forum where you can post questions to other students in the class. The statistics symbols is a summary of the various symbols that you'll see in the course. The course materials are organized by weeks. Each week module is set up in the same manner. Let's take a look at week 1. Each module includes the module description and action items. And the first discussion is located in this module here, Welcome Yourself to the Course. There are section notes, which located right here. And this includes notes for each chapter and also Excel homework tips for the chapter, PowerPoint resources, and then also the Excel files that are used in the textbook examples in the event that you'd like to work along the examples shown in the textbook. Returning to the top toolbar, we click on the calendar. I've loaded all the course due dates into the calendar, and you'll see those show up on the calendar. So most of your assignments are going to be due on Monday evenings by 11 o'clock. Now this is critical. Make sure that you purchase the MyStatLab Access Kit and the Excel Stat Access Code. Read the materials in the MyStatLab materials located in Begin Here in the hardware and software area. Again, you'll access this MyStatLab from our homepage, course homepage. On the lower left side, you have the link to Pearson and MyLabs. And I can't show you the actual login process here because I'm not really a student, but when you go out here, you're going to click on this tab here, and I'm going to pull up the handout that I have for you located. I can just find it here. Nope, that's not it. Located in, thought I had it opened up. Here it is. Oh, that's not it. Hold on a second. Here it is. So when you click on, when you first click on that option, when you click on here, it's going to ask you to agree to the user agreement. You're going to accept that. And then the next screen is going to have you log in either using an existing username and password or you're going to create one. And then on the next screen, you're going to see this screen here. And you're going to either, if you have the access code, you'll go ahead and put it in here. You'll click on that access code button and enter the access code. You can purchase one. You want to purchase the 18-week code here. Right from this site, or you can also get temporary access for 14 days without paying. You will have to purchase the code at some point because the semester lasts for 11 weeks and the temporary access is only good for 2 weeks. All right, so let's go over and take a look at the MyStatLab course. So when you first land, there is a calendar here, and the due dates will also show here, and you have an option here of how to show this. And if you notice in here, if we go to the next month, you do have things due. Again, your assignments are going to be due. Some things are due on Wednesdays. Your Excel projects are due on Wednesdays. And you also do have one early assignment due here, a homework assignment during the first week on Wednesday. And then if we click on the e-text contents. This is the table of contents for the ebook, and it goes chapter by chapter, and it matches the material that we cover in the course. So if you want to read the ebook, you can get it here under e-text contents. And then if we go to the assignments, I want to show you the assignments in here. You'll notice that the due dates are shown on the left-hand side. And I did link for each of the sections that we cover, any Stat Talk videos, and also the textbook or the Stat Talk videos for that section. And also I've linked some Excel videos that exist within the MyStatLab program. And then you've got your homework problems here. Let me go click on one and give you an idea. Your Excel projects are also shown here. So let's click on Chapter 6 homework. I just want to show you what's available in your homework. So if you take a look at a problem in your homework, you have Get More Help down here. And you've got View an Example, which will work a similar example, but when you get finished, you'll go back to the original problem. You have Help Me Solve It, which will help you solve this exact problem. When you finish, you're going to get a new problem. It'll take you to the section of the textbook. StatCrunch is another software package we don't use in this course, but you're certainly free to explore it if you'd like to. And then Ask My Instructor will send me an email with this exact problem link, and you can tell me what you're having trouble with, and I'll answer you in my courses with an explanation. And then you can also print the problem. So I hope, and one other thing I wanted to mention, let's go back out of here for a second, on your assignments page, yeah, the due dates are shown, and I think that's really all to show you in here. So I look forward to working with you this semester, and I hope we have a great semester. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.